Did you know that 75% of businesses are now using AI for market research? And those who do are seeing an average of 30% increase in sales? By the end of this video, you'll be able to use AI for market research and save hours of your time that would have been spent on manual data analysis. First, let's start with the basics. Market research is all about understanding your target audience and their needs. But in today's fast-paced business environment, it's becoming increasingly difficult to keep up with the ever-changing market trends. This is where AI comes in, to help you gather insights faster and more accurately than ever before. To get started, you'll need a tool that specializes in AI-powered market research. I recommend using Ahrefs, a popular choice among businesses and marketers. Ahrefs offers a range of features, including competitor analysis, keyword research, and content analysis. Let's take a look at Ahrefs' competitor analysis tool.